Hey guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about two new products. New to me, I'm pretty sure they're new. And if you guys have never heard of TIRTIR, you are missing out. They are such good products. So I've tried a foundation from them in the past and they're really, really good. So when this came out, I was super intrigued. This is the TIRTIR Mask Fit AI Filter Cushion Foundation. So when you open it up, it's really cute. Like the packaging is really, really fun. It comes with this little pad, and this pad does actually work really well. And then you open it here, and there's the product. Now, a little bit actually goes a long way, and this thing will last you longer than you think. I did get the wrong color. It's a little too light for me. I was worried it was going to be actually too dark, but you will see. So this retails for $25-ish. It could be different prices, whatever website you're on. There are 30 colors. They were sold out of quite a few when I ordered it. I got mine off the TikTok shop, but you can get it elsewhere. Some of the claims are flawless filter-like skin now in real life, blur imperfections, smooth texture, and reveal a poreless, perfected finish with the TIRTIR Mask Fit AI Filter Cushion. Powered by thin tech technology and enriched with pore refining skincare ingredients, this matte cushion foundation delivers high coverage with a feather-light feel that lasts up to 72 hours. It's going to definitely help with pores. It has some skincare benefits in there, niacinamide, vitamin C, which is great. Ideal for oily and combination skin, which I have dry skin and it works fine with my skin. So I would say all skin types. But yeah, so we are going to give this a try. I'm wearing it right now, but I'm going to go and show you guys how I apply it. And then we are going to pair it with this new TIRTIR Glide and Hide Blurring Concealer. The cool thing I like about this is that it has two separate ends. So you've got this stick end here, which is very, very hydrating, not drying at all. And then it's got the more liquid side over here. This retails for $16, and this comes in 20 shades. So I did get mine in the color 4N, and then I got my foundation in the color 21W Natural Ivory. The key benefits of this bad guy are dual action precision, creamy liquid tip covers blemishes and dark circles, silky balm stick blurs pores and texture instantly. And I mean, I use the stick part under my eyes too, and it works really well. 72-hour feather-light wear, buildable seamless finish. This is also powered by the TIRTIR Skincare Science, features hyaluronic acid, 3-type film former system for long wear, and dual powder system for a blurred filtered effect. So these are really good products. Like they put a lot of thought into what they're doing with them, and they just work really, really well. So they're great for more mature skin. I'm 45 and I love these. So, all right, enough of me talking. Let's get into actually applying the product. Okay, so I'm well aware that this is not the correct color for me. Unfortunately, I thought it was going to be too dark, but it is actually way too light. So, but I still want to show you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in first with this Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm. This is the Glow Filter Priming Serum. There's another one that's like makes your skin look matte. I like this one. It's glowy. And it says it's a sheer radiant tint, but I feel like it's a little dark on my skin. So I'm hoping if I go in with this and then that, maybe it'll kind of even itself out. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to bronze the face up a little bit. But I still want to show you guys these products because I'm obsessed with these, and especially for more mature skin. Like I said, I'm 45. So I just want to show you guys. It instantly illuminates, helps sculpt the look of skin over time. So not only is it going to give you a look like right away, but over time as well. So I just take a couple little pumps. And this, you cannot feel at all. Like it doesn't, the skin doesn't feel tight or anything. I was kind of expecting, if you've tried any of their other products, like instant firming, like the eye stuff, that stuff you can actually feel, but this stuff, I don't feel anything. Okay, we're gonna let that dry for a little bit. And now when I go in and apply this, if you guys are familiar with these, you know it comes with this little pad right here, and it is fine. Like it applies nicely. I don't like to stamp it in because I feel like it, I don't know, just like too much product almost. So when I did it, I kind of swiped it, and yeah, and then I went in later with a brush. But today, I'm gonna go in half of my face with a brush and then the other half with a beauty blender. We are gonna go in with my damp beauty blender. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. I don't remember how it works with the beauty blender, but let's just see. So yes, it is on the lighter side. You guys can see that. Little product goes a long way. So this is supposed to give you like an AI filter look or finish. And it is very pretty. Like it's very, very subtle using this. You can tell like, yeah, I mean, you can tell my skin still looks like my skin. I'm gonna try a little bit more and just see if I can build it up a little bit. Don't want to get my face too pasty. Probably be a decent color match for me in the winter when my skin's a little more pale. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a brush. The brush is definitely gonna give you a little bit more coverage. And I will say, don't like smash your brush in there because a little bit gets on here and it will go quite a long way. So I barely dab it in there. Look at that, just from like barely touching. So yeah, I'm looking a little pale, but it's fine. So if you guys want to look at the side-by-side comparison, I'm gonna go through with the brush and kind of just dab it all in just so that it blends. And then we'll try the concealer. Okay, so now it is all blended in. It does give the skin a really pretty finish. Filter-like, but yeah, I do wish that I got a little bit darker. I was kind of limited on colors because they were getting sold out, so I thought that this one would be good. But apparently I needed a little bit darker. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this concealer, and I love how it has the two sides. So this one, I was nervous that it was gonna be too drying because it's a stick basically, but it goes on so nice and it's actually really hydrating. I prefer that side over this liquid side. But it's just a really nice concealer, and like I said, and it works really well with more mature skin. So I'm gonna go in today, I think, with the liquid side, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender and we'll try to cover up these dark circles. So I just like to go in with a very little amount, just like right here on the inner corner, and maybe a little bit out here just for a lifting effect. If I use too much, then it definitely starts to crease under there, and that's like my problem area. All right, so there's the concealer, and I'm just gonna kind of let it dry a little bit, and then I am gonna go in and set it. If you guys have seen a couple other videos, I talk about the Laura Geller products all the time. They are so good for more mature skin. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I'm gonna use actually this palette to warm up my face and do some eyes, and then I am gonna use the Laura Geller Baked Foundation very, very lightly just to set all of this. But this, I actually got this in a bundle. It came with this palette, the foundation, and this cute little brush here for like, I wanna say it was like $69. But I'll try to find all these products and link them down below for you guys. So I'm gonna go in, and I use this every day, and it actually just broke the other day, but that's fine. I'm not gonna use the brush it came with because that's for like if you're wanting more of a full coverage. So I'm just gonna use this brush here and just lightly dust the face just to kind of set everything in place. Still feels super glowy, and I think it has a lot to do with that primer that I used. That stuff goes so well under makeup, or you can just use it by itself. It just kind of warms up, it just kind of makes the skin look glowy and like just fresh. Go in with the bronzer and just try to warm up the face a little bit and make me not look as pasty. All right, I think that definitely helped warm everything up, and now I don't look as pale. All right, I'm just gonna finish up my eyes and then I'll be back. All right guys, I'm back. I finished off all my makeup, and I'm really liking how this looks. I think this is a perfect everyday foundation. It just it's super light and natural looking. I don't feel like super cakey or anything. One last thing I do like to do after I finish everything, because I'm using foundation and some powders, to go in with this D'Alba First Spray Serum. I use this like 5 times a day. I use it with my skincare, and then I also use it like as a setting spray. And this will just help everything melt together. All right guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know if you guys have tried this one. I was super excited to try this one, and then of course the concealer. These are a good little duo. So if you guys are looking for a new foundation and concealer that's better for older skin, I would definitely give these a try. I will try to find all the products and link them down below for you guys. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye.